in the state. Tourism Minister Paulindo on Friday announced the launch of the most vibrant tourism festival in Meghalaya, the third Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival. Lingdo informed that the event spread across 3 days from November 17 to 19 at RBDSA Sports Complex in Riboy District promises to be the most happening and unforgettable experience for attendees. He also informed that this year the government of Meghalaya is investing 1.99 crore rupees out of the total investment of 9 crore rupees. He said that it is expected over 1 lakh tourists might visit this 3-day extravaganza.
Which is why we call it Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival, because we would like those visitors to not just be part of the show, the 3-day show, but that they would also spend time to travel to Shillong and beyond. Maybe go to Sora, maybe go to Dauki as well. I can share this with you, but as I revealed just now, Neo, for instance, is an international act. He's a Grammy Award winner, singer-songwriter, and so he's a well-known name. Ronan Keating has been performing for years, and he's also a household name here in Meghalaya. Jonas Blue is a well-known artist.